we divide 559 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 11 is 55. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 559 divided by 5 is 111 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.